You know what's the worst part of being sick? I mean, besides the aches and chills and stuffy nose? Taking medicine. Seriously, a spoonful of sugar doesn't do anything. Why isn't there a better way to take medicine? Hey everyone, Julia here for D-News. Taking drugs can be hard on the body. The compounds in medicine can be hard to absorb. Their molecules are either too big or they can't cross the membranes of the body's cells, so it takes a higher dosage to get the same benefits, and a higher dose can mean more side effects. But what if there was a way to deliver drugs into your body molecule by molecule? Well, scientists are working on it. A new device created by a team in Sweden could inject medicine directly into the spine, using just 1% of the dose typical drug delivery methods use. The device works like an ion pump, which sends out the medicine one molecule at a time. The research published in the journal Science reduced pain in rats by releasing GABA, a brain-reducing chemical the body naturally produces. While the technology is still at least 5 to 10 years away for use in humans, it has the potential to change the way we take medicine. A lot of our current drug delivery strategies have been around since ancient times. People in ancient cultures soaked herbs in water, making tea. Others inhaled smoke particles from the burning of medicinal plants. Ancient Persian practitioners sniffed or snuffed medicine directly into the nose. The nose is filled with blood vessels covered by only a thin membrane, so it's an easy place to get drugs into the bloodstream. It's a method we still use today. From decongestants to vaccines, nasal delivery is quick and easy. Pills are pretty ancient too. The first pill poppers date back to ancient Egypt, where plants ground into powders were mixed with honey, clay, or dough or other things, then rolled into little balls. Ancient Romans made long strings of clay, which they chopped up into little discs, like making cookies with a cookie cutter. Some form of pill making like this existed for centuries. Then in the 1800s, pills became coated in sugar or gelatin. In 1834, a French drug manufacturer invented the soft gel pill, where gelatin molds are injected with oils or medicine dissolved in oils. Then a few years later, in 1847, an English drug manufacturer, James Murdoch, invented the two-piece capsule, which is filled with powder or pellets. And you know those 24-hour pills or time-release pills? They were developed in the late 1940s and early 1950s and used the GI tract to release a drug over time. Basically, the pills are covered in what's called an enteric coating that dissolves under only certain acidic conditions. And different places in your GI tract have different acidity levels. So as the pill moves through your guts, it releases doses depending on the different acidity levels. So it might be able to get through the highly acidic stomach, but dissolves in the less acidic small intestine. Controlled delivery systems like implants started to hit the scene in the last few decades. These devices can deliver doses of medicine for a really long time, like over the course of a few years. The most popular of these include some forms of birth control, like the IUD or the implant that goes in your arm. The Norplant system, which is the one that goes in your arm, was introduced in the 1980s. It works because the hormone is wrapped in silicone capsules, and it takes a while for the hormone to slowly diffuse through the silicone coating, like 3 years. But because the silicone doesn't biodegrade in the body, it has to be taken out when it's finished. And these advances were only really made within the last 30 years. I can't wait to see what the future of medicine holds. But for now, it seems the best way to get your medicine is to take a chill pill. Do you ever have trouble taking your pills? Joe Beretta shows you the best way to swallow them in this video here.
Because the density of the capsule tends to be lower than the density of the water, your head position keeps the little bugger from swimming around in your mouth before its journey down to Tum Tum Town.
What's your favorite way to take medicine, or least favorite, like cough syrup? Ugh. Let us know down in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to D-News. We've got new videos every day of the week.